This is an amusement park. As you can see, there are numerous marigold flowers here, and this is a wooden hut, and you can see a lot of green grass and trees. And this is a duck. This is a model of the duck where people can sit and have their pictures clicked. And in the other corner there is a water park. There is a fountain you can see. In this water park people are taking baths. These are the trees, as you can see. The ambience here is quite vociferous because you can see many people are moving here and there, and people are enjoying the ambience. They are feeling rejuvenated and revived, and I think visiting this place is like killing two birds with one stone, because not only we can have a glimpse of the beautiful nature, but also we can relieve our day-to-day stress and hectic monotony of our busy and hectic schedule, because these days people are totally engrossed and occupied in their daily routines, and they are working from dawn to dusk. So somehow people are drifting away from the tranquility and serenity of their mind. So to combat that stress, I think this is the best place. These types of places are quite magnificent and resplendent, and where people can spend quality time of their holiday with their kith and kins. And people also take selfies, they make movies. As you can see, the girl is making the video of his family members to preserve the precious memories. So this is the place, very beautiful place, and it is in the vicinity of nature. It is away from the cacophony of the urban areas where people feel quite perplexed. So very beautiful place. All the words that I have used in this particular video, you can use them in your IELTS cue card. If your cue card is related to talk about a place where you went for entertainment, or talk about a picnic you enjoyed, or talk about a day when you spend time with your family, or talk about a day which you spent in the lap of nature, in all sorts of topic like this, you can use the words that I have just told you, and really you will get a magnificent band score if you will speak these words in your speaking exam. All the best for your exam. Bye bye. Subscribe for more information like this. Thank you.